our meat and seafood display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 36.5 inches. A depth of 33.75 inches. Height with caster wheels, 55.25 inches tall. Coming to the front would be your display. Included will be 4 adjustable shelves, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. The 2 white shelves will go to the very bottom for access storage. Coming to the back of the display will be your left and right slide doors. The measurements for each shelf will include 16 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right top shelf, and for the bottom shelf we have by 15 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the left and right bottom shelf. Internal dimensions will include 34.5 inches in length, 28.5 inches in depth, by 37 inches in height. Ceiling cover will be 29 inches in height. Coming to the inside will be a plug that can be removed for your drain. Coming to the bottom left corner will be a swing door for additional storage. The measurements for the storage area, we have 24.5 inches in depth, 16 inches in length, by 12 inches in height. The very bottom will be your temperature control gauge along with the power switch. Display will use a 110-120 voltage plug. Coming to the side of the display case, we have our ETL and NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.